Welcome back to Healthy Prepping. In today's vid I thought I'd show you some alternative cooking techniques for if your gas was to go out or the power was to go out. And show you a way how you could boil and cook your food in an emergency situation. But the first item is a camping stove. It's got a twin burner and it's got a grill on it. You'll pick these up from most camping shops, no fuss. Also, at certain times of the year, you'll be able to pick them up from discount stores at a cheaper rate. I think this cost me about £15, give or take. Also, what you want to make sure of, you've got plenty of gas to fuel the stove. This is Calor gas bottles, it's like I say 15k, but these range from 5 up to 25. Calor gas is our main brand in the UK, but what I also stock up on is different regulators to fit different apertures on the bottles, because I might not be able to get Calor gas all the time, so I like to make sure that I've got a selection. And also, as you can see, extra hose, because if the hose splits, the burner's no good for nobody. Also, you want to make sure you've got plenty of matches, plenty of lighters in to light the gas for when you start to cook. What we have here is two smaller gas stoves. These are more individual trekking stoves, and they're nice and straightforward to use. They can pack down to go in a rucksack or a cook kit. I'll show you here with this one. Easy enough to open up. And what we have is a gasket on the bottom, a rubber gasket that seals to the tin to stop the gas escaping. Or you literally screw it into place, pinch it up, turn the gas on, and this can be adjusted down and up as needed. And it's the same principle with this one. Turn the gas on, and this again can be adjusted up and down as needed. Now, both these brands of gas burners are Vango, and I also use Coleman Gas because I do find that these are better quality brands than going cheap. I also recommend, once again, get plenty of lighters and plenty of matches to light these devices. Also with these, you'll find that you could be able to use a sparks from the fire steel to get them going. Okay, what we have here is another alternative method of using meths. This is just a basic meths burner. This is just a little tin, storage tin with some vent holes at the top. And once again, this can be lit with a match, with a lighter, or even a fire steel. There we go. What we have, we've got a couple of different stands. So we've got a stand that actually fits over the burner, actually into it, which you can cook on. And the second is the Pathfinder one, which fits directly over the top, and then you can put your pot on top of that to cook away on. Once again, guys, make sure you've got plenty of fuel for it. This is, like I say, once again, it's just an individual little stove that I use for camping. Okay, hopefully that's given you a few ideas to add to your preps. If you'd like to give the video a thumbs up, it'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, be even better. And also check us out on Instagram and Facebook, because we post on there on a regular basis. So stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.